Hey, what's up? So, just a quick update on the build that we are working on. So, a couple of things had happened, a couple of things are happening, and a couple of things are going to happen. I'm sure you all have seen, I haven't posted anything about the build. Reason being is that I had an incident, and I had an incident with the car. Well, not that bad. It's just that I scratched the car recently. I was parking the car in the parking garage, and the moment I was parking, I knew my instance was telling me not to proceed. But hey, you know when you're tired, sometimes you have two voices telling you go and not go. So as I proceed to park the car in the garage, unfortunately, I scratched the driver's side bumper, and I currently have to look somewhere for the professional paint job to be done. With that, I've been thinking if I want to do the paint or I just want to do a M Sport conversion. So those are the two ideas that I have. Probably that will depend also how much they're going to charge me with the paint. If the paint is going to be lower than the M Sport conversion, I probably just will go with the paint. But if it's practically the same or in the same margin, probably I will just do the M2 front bumper conversion. So those are the things that I've been thinking, and I will see which option I will go for. Another thing also, the rotors are in back order. We have seen I did the rebuild of the brake calipers. Unfortunately, those calipers, I can't install them with the OEM rotors. I'll need rotors to fit the calipers. They were supposed to be delivered this week. UPS has not updated the tracking number, but where I bought it, they say UPS is going to collect it today as I'm recording this video. And another thing, I'm also waiting for the downpipe. I got the high flow downpipe. I'm waiting for that. Once it's here, then we'll go ahead and install it to get more horsepower. Another thing also that I've been thinking is that I've been exploring the water methanol injection. Now with that, it's a little bit tricky because installing water methanol injection comes with a lot of risk, and I have to cover everything that might go wrong when I install the water methanol injection. Those are the updates I wanted to share with you all, and I hope the parts come soon, or if not sooner. And once we have those parts, we'll install them. And yeah, so stay tuned, guys. Again, I'll catch you on the next one.